So let's see the sentence. This pen is mine. This is a personal pronoun, mine, possessive was mine. So therefore we relate it to as a possessive personal pronoun, mine. Now let's see, we are studying. Again, where is the pronoun? We. We are studying. You should come. So you should come is the first pronoun. You should come to my party. You should come to my party. So here again, in this whole sentence, where is the pronoun? You. This medicine is very bitter. Now when we are saying it is very bitter, we are talking about medicine and the pronoun here is this. Now let's see this. Anil and Karan are friends. They play together. Now, where is the pronoun here? They. We are using this in place of identifying both of them and putting the pronoun there. So, the use of the pronoun is to condense the sentence into, make it a little concise and small so that it makes better sense also and uses less space. So, we use they, we didn't use the words again, that Anil and Karan here again, we just use the pronoun they. So now it has replaced these two nouns, the proper nouns. So therefore, the use of a pronoun is to use it in place of a noun. So this is very clear over here in this sentence.